Today we are going to be talking about a really strange solar system it's right here. So, there's actually a planet that is making these rings. This is also a fast-moving planet. There's a few planets. They're called fast. It's so fast that researchers called it fast. Then there's also Eris, a habitable planet that has become uninhabitable because it went flying this way, all the way over here, but it has now come back. It was because of another star interfering with the solar system, and now that it's back, it's going fast. Not as fast as the fastest planet ever recorded. Also, mind you, none of this is real. It's a made-up solar system, made-up planets. None of this is actually real. Don't think this is real facts. It's just something that could happen. It's scientific fiction. So anyways, there's a planet that is going so fast that is creating rings around its planet. Not Eris. It's going fast too, and it's shooting water everywhere because of how fast it's going. Well, Eris actually went out of the solar system because of alien intervention. Yeah, and it flew out of the solar system for good this time. I don't know why the aliens didn't like that planet, but maybe there were some rivals on that planet. So anyways, a minute on the fast planet literally takes... Oh no, I meant a day on the fast planet takes a few seconds, and a year on the fast planet takes just under a minute. That's how fast it is. And it is rapidly growing, and it's shrinking because of its matter spewing everywhere. That's what these rings are made of. It's matter. But don't get so close because these are hot molten rings because of the friction of the tiny little molecules scattered through space. It might seem like a vacuum, but that's because most of it is. But not all of it. There's a few tiny particles here and there. Not much, but still enough to create friction for if you're going really fast like this planet. And its average speed is about 77.67 kilometers per second. But that's only in its oval state. If you don't know, which you don't know, it sometimes goes into a sphere. That's when it's at its fastest point, because there's no time of the year where it slows down at that point. But on the oval time of year, it gets slowed down, since there's a time of year when it gets slower on a oval year. Kind of like leap year and a normal year, but circle and oval. It's classifications for different kinds of years. So anyways, there was also a planet that was super slow. It flew off from from being so big that it was bigger than its own star. So it just floated away. Researchers are surprised it didn't pull in the star with it, but then again, there's like so many asteroids in the asteroid belt, and Jupiter's right next to it, so yeah. Sometimes they just get lucky. Anyways, so this solar system, on a solar system, it's slightly moving. The star is moving. It's normal for solar systems to do that. So yeah. And from afar, you can actually see the rings with how big it spans. You could see a little dots in the sky, only at nighttime, obviously. It looks like a normal star, but you could see a ring around it, a little circle around it. So yeah. Also, since these times of years exist, eventually it will go it will be a oval that is really thick and has a circle in the middle with how much it's gone. Eventually I'll get to that. I'm gonna speed it up really fast so you could see it when it's going fast. And oh no, Uranus just collided with the sun. Luckily nothing happened. That was wrong. The planet Fast actually used to have a moon, but the orbit of the moon around the Fast planet was so wonky that it collided with the star. We'll show you a representation of what it looked like. Okay? That was faster than I expected. See, it's starting to get into a circle-like shape. It's moving from oval to circle slightly. It's soon gonna be at its peak speed, the fastest it is at any time of year. Well, any year. So yeah. Another thing about this solar system is that the Fast planet actually, it used to be a cold planet. But it started going fast because it was small, which made it so that there was not much stuff like matter slowing it down. Two, it was starting to get close to the star, which made it go faster, since if you're closer to the star, you go faster. If you're farther from it, you go slower. Anyways, because of those two conditions, it started speeding up. It used to have a moon, but it got destroyed, like I already told you. And because of the friction I already mentioned beforehand, all the ice melted off and flew into deep space. And now, instead of that icy place that it used to be, it's now just, well, let me just show you. Just a second, let me just select it. See it? It is a burning wasteland. instead of what it used to be, and it slightly melted off and stuff. Also because of its proximity of its star. And yeah, that's the solar system. Well, not the solar system. It's actually a solar system. It's called the FR23 system. It stands for fast rings because there's the most notable features of the solar system is that there's a really fast planet and it has rings of molten hot matter that's around it. And 23 stands for 2023 because that's when it was discovered. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content. Thanks.